It is a good morning, and the charts don't lie, man. What a perfect trading day. The price was there, everything was there. I just did it wrong for a loss of 300 and something, totaling our losses to about $550 per account. And that's like a third of the drawdown that I have. So trading 3 micros is the best idea I've ever had, and it's the only reason I haven't blown up today. But man, this price was just beautiful. It did exactly what I was anticipating. It's just that I executed wrong. And I probably could have told you from yesterday that today would have been a bad day because, first of all, I didn't sleep. Second of all, I was trying to make back the losses from yesterday, and that just made me not trade optimally. So I took a bunch of stops. I did have one very nice winning trade, but even the trade management on that was subpar. So we started over here at 9:30 today. We had news at 8:30, not much happening over here, and we waited for the 9:30 open. In fact, we did not wait for the 9:30 open. I took like a couple of trades before 9:30 open because I had so much fear of missing out on any price move, and yeah, that's just not the right mindset to have. So yeah, let me show you the winning trade because it's actually a pretty nice trade. So right here, we were looking for sells. So first of all, the bias on the day was bearish, and I did not have this volume imbalance marked out before I started trading, which is a problem because look, this volume imbalance right here is perfect, and that is exactly where it went to. But I had put my TP just like 50, so just like a nice round number, and it was 1 2 3 ticks away. Was it 3? No, 4 ticks away from hitting my final TP, and because of the poor risk management on this trade, I lost 30 points of open profit. That is rather painful. It would have doubled my profits on these contracts. So since my TP was at 50 here anyway, I don't know why my trailing stop was all the way up here. I should have just trailed it nice and tight, like to the mean threshold of this order block. So then at least we're not losing 30 points, we're losing like 15. And that's like somewhat better. But yeah, and then we revenge traded. We took a bunch of trades. Not all of them were bad trades. We took some break evens. The risk management was good on 3 micros, but like some of my entries were rather rushed. But I was kind of hoping for this low down here to get taken, and I was looking for whether that would be the case, but it did not want to do that today, at least for now. We had a nice market maker buy model, boom, straight to the volume imbalance. We had these equal lows taken out over here, and then we had an implied fair value gap to the buy side, and then we had an institutional order flow entry drill right over here, and we had these equal highs, all of which were taken. So this trade would have been 70 points. That's still a lot of juice, but I was looking for this 15-minute fair value gap to hold bearish, which honestly I probably shouldn't have because we did hit this volume imbalance and then show a lot of a reversal. So yeah, we're down 500 bucks. It's not the end of the world. I didn't sleep. I was trying to make back my losses from yesterday, and while we did catch this, my bias was right for the initial move. I was actually hoping for these highs to get taken before we went down, and when we didn't take these highs, I was like, okay, maybe we'll have a market maker buy model, but because the dollar was so bullish and because this was so bearish, I wasn't ready to take longs. But anyway, so today was just me making a bunch of mistakes. Price was doing what price does, and my analysis was not even that bad, just my executions were pretty bad. But we're going to come back stronger, we're going to be nice and patient, and I'm going to set myself a goal of not trying to make back everything I lost in one day. If I can make back the 500 in drawdown that I lost, over the next 3 trading days, I will be happy. That sets a very low target per account per trading day, 100, 150, which is like 20 points. So we're bringing it back to the basics, the low hanging fruit. Today I was just trying to swing for the fences, and I was up so much in open profit. I was up $300 in open profit, which covers yesterday's losses, and yeah, it covers the stops I took in the pre-AM. But yeah, we learned from our mistakes, and we're gonna be back, hopefully well rested, and we'll see what happens. So with that being said, I think I'm done.